How to use CapCut Templates. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your CapCut app. Make sure you are using the latest version of CapCut. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of templates. Now in this page you're gonna find a list of templates. You can just scroll down and check out. In the case you are searching for a specific template, at the top you will see the search box. Over there you can type in the template name and search for it. Now let's use any of the template. For now, I'm gonna use this one template. Just open the template and click on Use Smart Template. Your gallery will open up. Now select the required clip or photos for the template and then click on Preview. So it's in the process to be applied. And with that, your video will be ready along with the template. Likewise, let's try out another template. This one. Click on Use Template. Select the video clip or photo required for the template, and with that your video will be ready. Once you are satisfied with your video, you can export it. So this way you can easily use CapCut templates. By following the same steps, you can easily use other templates as well. That's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.